Hello, you have reached Microsoft Help Desk. Atmanan speaking. How may I help you? You are having problems with the Minesweeper. Well, allow me to show you how it functions. First, your screen must look something like this. You will go to the Start menu. Click on the All Programs link. You will see it there on the left. And proceed to go to the Games folder. In the Games folder, you will find many of the different games that we offer for free when you pay the service fee for the Windows 7 or 8, whatever is your, your interface for the computer. But you will be selecting the Minesweeper today. The Minesweeper that you see before you has been upgraded since the original version. And in fact, if you want further help, you can actually go to the View Help button. And here it will tell you everything about the game. It seems to be a deceptively simple test of memory and reasoning, and one of the most popular games, in fact, that we offer here at Microsoft. Well, the object is to really find the empty squares while avoiding mines that you may uncover by accident. And so you can see in the beginner there is only 81 tires, in the intermediate there is 256 tires, and the expert is 480 tires. I would suggest strongly, since you do not seem to know much about the game, that you start with the beginner setting. You can also create a custom board and things like that, but I don't think that will be very necessary. Now, all you really have to do is click anywhere in one of these squares and you pray to Vishnu that you do not select a bomb. You do that simply by clicking on the left hand button. When you see the 1, it means you will find perhaps one square where there is potentially one mine directly in attachment to it. And so you can label this with the right hand button with a flag to tell you that this is in fact a bomb. See, clearly I have selected this one here because there is 1 and 1 and 2. And so this one must be a blank. And you can see that if you do it properly, that basically you will see another number that will appear, in this case 4. Now, should you choose the wrong one, allow me to demonstrate here. I did not read this properly. And then you will hear an explosion and your screen will blow up as such. Then you will be prompted to restart the game or to start again. And I will try to start again. As you can see, it will give you a new board every time if you want. At any time, if you are curious about the time it is taking you, it is showing you here. And this is the remaining mines that you must find. So for example, when I clicked on this one, there is only 9 mines that it says I have to go find still. As you can see, perhaps this one only has 1 left. So I just click and I have 3. I hope you found that instructional video very helpful. Thank you. And I implore you to come again and call Microsoft should you have any more problems.